Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign out of YouTube Kids. So let's go ahead with the video. It's quite simple. Let me show you a step-by-step process on how you can sign out of your account in YouTube Kids. Go ahead and click privacy and enter the calculation. After entering the calculation, click on the submit button which you see. Now you can go ahead and click sign out and it will be signed out. Let me show it to you once again. Go to your account and click on sign out. This way you will be signed out from your parent account. So this was a video on how you can sign out of your account in YouTube Kids. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.